Hello my friends, this is JUFU factory. Are you still looking for the European RV door lock? This European RV door lock has good looking, classic European style. The round design of the door handle and the raised round button all reveal a European style of refinement and elegance. This design is not only beautiful but also in line with the European RV pursuit of high quality and luxury, nice quality and better price. And this one is super popular in America, Australia and UK. If there are some problems during use within the warranty period, we can replace it for free. And by the way, we have 1 year warranty period.